Shower of rain affects normal life at Haflong. A shower of rain affected normal life with waterlogging and overflowing at several areas of Haflong on Sunday. District Disaster Management Authority has earlier warned of bad weather and imposed restriction on movement of vehicles. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Earth Science Government of India alerted that Haflong and Maibang are in lightning zone and appealed move to safer place. Today being the market day, movement of people found to be very scanty in the market. The people of Haflong are very much scared since they cannot forget the last devastation.